Here is ToChat app Meet New Friends. Welcome to ToChat. At ToChat, you can communicate with real users. We'll help you find and meet new friends. To enhance the dating experience, everyone can authenticate themselves with a real person on ToChat, and we'll prioritize recommended authenticated new friends to our users. ToChat also offers the opportunity to meet your AI friend with whom you can share your feelings or anything on your mind, including things you may have never shared with others. In your interactions with your AI friend, you can do so without any judgment or social anxiety. Whether it's a real friend or AI friend, ToChat aims to help you find someone to talk when you're feeling down or tired. And there is a VIP subscription. So it's built by this ByteWave corporation. I don't know honestly whether this app is completely safe and legit. Same is getting like a few thousand ratings. Uh, but you never know. There are a lot of these Chinese apps which basically are just collecting your data. So I will just show you and you decide whether you want to create your account in here or not. So then you can get invitation code. Then you can just select your nickname. And then you can just select your birthday, just an example. You can add photos. So then you need to add photos to your bio. So let's just oh, something is not, so I can't move this thing for some reason. Anyhow, it's just an example. And then here you have it. And then here you have the account. You can receive some gems. You can swipe through. Then you can just go and tap on the profile. So for example, if you go, you can just start to chat. I don't know whether these users are real users here, to be honest. Then you can post something. Then you can message something. So there are already some messages. And then there is separately AI chat where you can just chat in here. And then there is your account. There are settings. You can delete your account. There's your profile. You can make it much more better. And then there are filters. So you can filter out who you wanna. If you wanna use filters, then it's this additional subscription, unfortunately. And then you see messages. So as you can see, when I just messaged, there is instant reply. So it seems kind of suspicious for that. So it seems that this is mostly AI bots, unfortunately. Seems like that. I'm not sure, but if you send a message and in 2 minutes there is a reply instant, it means, yeah, this can be AI bots, and especially a lot of guys will just upgrade in this app. As you can see, there are so many new messages instantly. So seems, yeah, to be honest, this app is just full of AI bots, and so just be careful when you're upgrading. And yeah, so some people say it's not really worth it, but yeah, there you have it. This is just my review.